Good afternoon everyone. It's me Bhumi Parajur standing in front of you to present a short presentation on the topic local technologies and modern technologies prepared by the members of engineering group. So at first, what is technology? The word technology and its uses have initially changed since the 21st century, and with time it has continued to evolve ever since. We are living in a world driven by technology. The, the advancement of technology has played an important role in the development of human civilization. Along with cultural changes, technology provides innovative ways to doing work through various smart and innovative means. Electronic appliances, gadgets, faster modes of communication and transport have added to the comfort factor of our lives. It has helped in improving the productivity of individuals and different business enterprises. Technology has brought a revolution in many operational fields. It has undoubtedly made a very important contribution to the progress that mankind has made over the years. Technology can be divided into two groups. They are local technology and modern technology. Now, what is local technology? Man has developed many technologies for their use since the beginning of human civilization. Many technologies that are assisting us in different ways. This kind of technology is called local technology. In other words, technology that people use to assist their activities in daily life is called local technology. Traditional technologies are more sustainable, cheap and reliable as well. They are based on local resources and skill, so they are environment friendly. These local technologies do not need any energy. In Kathmandu Valley, local technologies persist in making statues and portraits. Some examples of local technology are Dhuki, Zato, etc. Now, what is Dhiki? Dhiki, Dhiki or Thinki Nepal is an old-style rice mill or hawks weaver found in Nepal, Bangladesh and Indian states of Assam, West Bengal and Odisha. It is usually made of hardwood. It has a fulcrum supporting a weight. Due to the force of the weight upon the rice in the pots, the rice and the golden brown husks separate. Denki is used to be operated by women to produce rice from paddy and grind rice to powder. Zato. Zato is a type of rotary hand quail or grinder in the Himalayan region of Nepal, Sikkim, Darjeeling and Bhutan. It is a traditional tool to grind grains. It consists of two round stone discs or which the bottom part is attached to the ground or the floor in the house. This attached this is lower this is immovable and has a big nail or a piece of wood, money or bell in the center to keep the top stone in place while grinding. The top part, however, has two holes in it, one in the middle to insert grains and other on the side to place a wooden handle hatto for grinding. The grains are ground using a circular motion with the help of the handle and the person has to be sitting down to do the task. Now, what is modern technology? We are all living in the 21st century. It is an era of science and technology. Modern technology has its effect on every field of life. With the help of technology, the things that seemed impossible in the past are now easily done. Now, we cannot imagine our life without technology. Thus, we can say that it makes our life more convenient and simple than past. Information technology brings revolution in our daily life. It increases our standard of living. It has great effect on business, science, education, medical sector, transportation, and so on. However, maybe there are some aspects of technology that have negative on our lives, but they are very minor against the benefits of technology. To prove the importance of technology, we can say that we cannot live with it, but we cannot live without it. I think that everybody is experienced in using technology. Some examples of it are refrigerator, washing machine, etc. Now, what is refrigerator? A refrigerator is a machine used for keeping things cold. It's sometimes called a freeze. or an ice box. It is normally maintained in 4 to 5 degrees Celsius for household use. People put food and drinks in it to keep those items cold or good unspoiled for a longer time. Our refrigerator has a heat pump which takes heat away from the air inside the freeze. The heat is moved to the air outside. The heat pump allows available that do not use electricity because they are filled with ice to provide the colder temperature. The ice can keep things cold until the ice melts. Icebox can be taken on camping trips. Sometimes they are called coolers. Refrigerator-sized icebox were used before electricity was available. Now what is washing machine? Laundry clothes manually involves the process of scrubbing and rinsing dry dirty clothes and other textiles. The entire process can be extremely tiring and time consuming. It can also lead to severe backaches for the washers. The electric washing machine has been a boon for housewives and housekeepers, as they have saved not only a lot of time and effort from their cumbersome chores, but also contribute to their better health. The main parts of washing machine are agitator, inner and outer wash tube, electric motor and drain tube. It also has values and switches. The function of the values is to allow the hot and cold water in and out of the machine. Thank you.